Welcome to the session on safety gear for sewer entry professionals. Hi, I'm Swati, working with Wash Institute. In this session, we will understand about the importance of safety gears. What do we mean by personal protective equipment, including when to use which type of gear. We will also discuss about the process of donning and doffing safety gears. Working in sewers, drain or on-site sanitation systems is dangerous as it presents hazards such as toxic gases, biological contaminants and confined spaces. Therefore, sanitation workers involved in these job roles must be well prepared, skilled and carry protective equipment for their safety. There are many protection mechanisms to prevent hazards while doing such jobs. Safety gear is the last resort of protection. In this session, we shall learn more about these safety equipment. Wearing safety gear helps protect the user by avoiding contact with harmful pathogens, minimizing the risk of injury or fatality, preventing the inhalation of toxic gases. Wearing proper safety gear helps in mitigating these hazards. Safety gears include personal protective equipment like helmet and safety devices like tripod and harness. In this session, we will learn in detail about personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment includes a variety of gear designed to safeguard different parts of the body from specific hazards. It is designed to protect individuals from workplace hazards such as chemical spills, airborne particles, and physical injuries. PPE includes hard hat, reflective jackets, pants, safety goggles, mask, boots, and gloves. Additionally, there is a different set of PPE as per the job roles. In this session, we will cover about the PPE for sewer entry professionals. Since they work in hazardous conditions while manually cleaning sewers or septic tanks, they require specialized training as well as appropriate safety gear and equipment. Let's start with the basic personal protective equipment every sewer worker must wear. Here are the types of PPE. Head protection consists of helmets and hard hats designed to prevent head injuries from falling debris and shield against bumps and impacts. Full face protection includes masks and respirators safeguarding against the inhalation of harmful substances. As a full face shield is being used, which also protects the eyes from chemical splashes and falling debris, separate eye protection is not required in this case. A full body wading suit is a waterproof protective garment designed to safeguard the wearer from exposure to contaminated water, chemicals and hazardous materials, typically in environments such as sewers. It extends from the chest down to the feet, offering both insulation and protection to keep the worker dry, comfortable and secure in wet, dangerous conditions. The suit includes chemical-resistant and arm-length gloves, essential for maintaining hand hygiene while enhancing grip and dexterity when handling tools and equipment. Additionally, it comes with gumboots that protect against infections and injuries, provide stability on wet or uneven surfaces, and keep feet dry, reducing the risk of infection. Here are a few things to note when selecting and using PPE. PPE should be selected based on the gender of the one who wears it. PPE must fit the size and shape of the individual. Damaged PPE should never be repaired or reused. PPE should be cleaned and maintained after use. Only certified PPE, for example, IAS and BIS, should be utilized. In this session, let us learn about how to wear and remove a PPE after usage. This process is called donning and doffing. Ensuring that sewer entry professional wears PPE correctly is crucial for their safety and health. Let's get started with the donning procedure. First, make sure you have all your PPE ready. Wear a suit with inbuilt gloves and boots, respirator and helmet. Start by putting on your coveralls. Step into the legs and pull them up, ensuring The zipper or fasteners are secured completely. Make sure they are comfortable and allow for movement. Put on your face protecting shield inbuilt with respirator. It is essential for protecting your lungs from harmful gases and particles. Fit in snugly over your nose and mouth and check for a proper seal by inhaling and exhaling. Now, wear a helmet. It will protect your head from falling objects or bumps. Ensure it fits securely and adjust the chin strap if needed. Now let us look at the proper way to doff personal protective equipment or removal of PPE after sewer entry. It's essential to remove PPE correctly to avoid contamination. Let's get started. First, ensure SAP is in a designated doffing area and have a disposal bin or bag ready. Start with removing your coveralls. Unzip or unfasten them completely. Carefully roll the coveralls down and away from your body, turning them inside out as you go. Avoid touching the outside surface. Step out of the coveralls and dispose of them properly. Now, remove helmet. Handle it by the straps or from the inside, avoiding contact with the outside surface. Place it in a clean area or designated storage. Finally, remove your respirator. Avoid touching the front of the respirator. Grasp the straps and pull them over your head. If the respirator is disposable, dispose of it properly. If not, place it in the designated cleaning area. And there you have it, a properly doffed PPE after sewer entry. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer immediately after removing all PPE. Stay safe. In summary, no one should be allowed to enter the confined space without wearing PPE. Wearing appropriate PPE protects a sewer entry professional from hazardous substances and injuries, enhances visibility, and allows for better communication. Sewer entry professionals should follow the SOP for donning and doffing PPE. SAPs should ensure that the PPE fits them properly and meets relevant standards and regulations. Thank you for going through this session.